This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Charming 3-bed, 2-bath David Weekley home in Katy. Built in 2005, this 2,102 square feet single story sits on a 7,066 square feet lot in Katy ISD. The inviting floor plan features a formal living/dining combo, spacious family room, and open kitchen with island, tile backsplash, and included refrigerator. A split bedroom layout offers privacy, with a serene primary suite and 2 secondary bedrooms separated by a versatile game/hobby room. Enjoy central gas heat, electric cooling, and an attached garage. Conveniently located near schools, parks, shopping, and major roadways, perfect for comfortable living in a vibrant community. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.